Hello, so I made a project called IPTracer, and IPTracer is basically a GUI-based bulk IP info extraction tool that fetches detailed information from a list of IP addresses. So the tool is developed using Python and Tkinter for the graphical user interface. I'll show you how this project works. When I'll run this program, it will give a graphical interface. So what I have to do is just click this lookup IP button here. When I'll click this button, it will ask to upload a file which contains a list of IP addresses, and here I have a file called IP addresses which contains around 27,000 of IPs. So I'll open this file, and then it again gives a dialog box asking the location and the name of the file which will be saved, and which will contain the details of the IP address. So I will name it as IP detail and save here. Now this will start working on it and start extracting information. When once it is done, it will give a success message. Here it is, and it says that details have been saved to this location with the name ipdetail.csv, and then I'll press OK button, and it's done. So as you can see that within few seconds I can extract information of thousands of IPs by this tool. Then wait, I'll show you the file as well. Here it is. So the details will contain the country, the region, city, latitude, longitude, zip code, time zone. This much of information we can get in just few seconds using my tool. So that's it. uh, that was my project. Thank you.